और जब मैं प्रेयर कर रहा था कि लॉर्ड आने वाले 2022 के लिए या फिर आने वाले मंथ ऑफ दिसंबर के लिए किस तरीके की चीजें की जाएगी, लॉर्ड ने मुझे कुछ ऐसी चीजें शो करी या जो शायद जब आप सुनो, मैंने सबसे पहले अर्थ को देखा और अर्थ के ऊपर मैंने बहुत सारे इंजेक्शंस को लगे हुए देखा। अभी आप बोलोगे इसका मतलब, यानी कि अर्थ है, अर्थ के ऊपर हर एक कंट्रीज के अंदर मैंने इंजेक्शंस को लगा देखा। यानी कि बाइबल में क्या लिखा है पता है? बाइबल में रोमन चैप्टर नंबर 8 वर्स 18 और 19 में लिखा है कि पृथ्वी परमेश्वर के बच्चों को आज भी इंतजार कर रही है कि वो कब जाहिर, कब प्रकट हो, कि पृथ्वी को छुटकारा दिया जाए। इवन जब आप बुक ऑफ आइजिया रीड करते हो, आइजिया चैप्टर नंबर 24 4 5 6 7 में लिखा है पृथ्वी श्रापित हो चुकी है लोगों के वजह से, और लोगों के कारण पृथ्वी के सारे लोग बीमार हो रहे हैं। और मैंने पृथ्वी के ऊपर बहुत सारे प्लेसेस में, बहुत सारे कंट्रीज के अंदर इंजेक्शंस को लगे हुए देखा। सिंपली मींस कि ये कंट्रीज, ये देश, ये स्टेट्स फिर एक बार किसी लपेट में आने वाले, फिर एक बार कोई बीमारी के साथ, फिर एक बार किसी ऐसी चीजों के साथ मूव करने वाले हैं जो अनहोनी है।
Concerns for the spread of Omicron, with Europe and the United States facing big surge in cases, triggering tighter restrictions and travel bans.
Yeah, let's bring in Dr. Margaret Harris from the World Health Organisation in Geneva, Switzerland. Good morning to you, Margaret. Thank you for your time. We've seen Netherlands, for example, introducing a Christmas and New Year's lockdown. Do you think that's warranted at this point?
Many of the countries of Europe are really already struggling because Omicron is proving to be such a rapid spreader. It's spreading through communities much more quickly than Delta did. We're seeing growth rates doubling between 1.5 and 3 days. And so what that translates into, lots and lots of people infected, lots of people needing healthcare, but also lots of healthcare workers themselves getting sick. So reducing the numbers of people who are available to look after those who get sick.
So what about other countries there? Do you expect them to follow suit?
Many of the countries of Europe have already started to really crank up the various measures, the various social distancing measures. So here in Switzerland, for instance, they've told the kids not to come to school this week. It's optional, but basically all the parents have said, okay, no school this week. In the UK, they've increased the measures. Many countries are saying things like closing the bars, the nightclubs, the opportunities for gatherings, to try to limit the places where people meet each other and infect each other.
What do you think about Australia's response? Our leaders are so far holding the line. Can we remain open if cases continue to spiral?
So again, this is really about what's happening with your health system, what's happening with the severity of illness, and what's also happening with the spread, of course, of the virus itself, and where you are with your vaccination. So there are many, many factors to be looking at, but certainly and I'm sure your health leaders are advising people to themselves take precautions, themselves look at the opportunities for being in crowds and big groups, all those places where you're most likely to be part of one of those big clusters, and wear that mask whenever you can't avoid